So the purpose of this video is to help people understand where this application is going. So we're in the middle of developing this application, so it's not complete yet. So you can't really see what the user will actually be doing, but you can kind of get an idea if I point it out clearly. So first, here you have a period for an income statement, in this case comprehensive income. So you can add facts by letting the application add a set of facts for you. Then you can edit these numbers and notice how the application checks to make sure that things add up. And you can change the view, and you can even generate the entire report, and those new facts are added to the report. And here you're entering them manually, but you can also enter them using an API or importing the facts from Excel. So now I'm going to delete the facts for that period, and I'm going to show you something else. So in addition to dynamically editing the facts that go into this model, you will be able to edit the model. So here is the model, and you can't edit this right now because the application is not done. We haven't put that feature in the application. However, you still can edit the model. So we'll do just that. I'm going to add a term. I'm going to use the report prefix. I'm going to add a concept, and the concept is going to be taxes. The data type is monetary. It is a duration. The balance type is debit. So now I've added that concept. I'm going to add a label because I want to be able to show it. It's going to be a negative most of the time, and I'm going to make it look like that. I don't need to add references or a structure, but I do need to put it into the income statement structure. So I'm going to add a new row into the database for this new part of the income statement. So I'm going to hook it to that concept, that abstract concept. The role is just a parent-child because it's in the presentation relations, and I'm going to put the new concept that I added, and I want it to be a negated label. And I think I had to put the right sequence to get it in the model in the correct place. Now you're not going to have to do this. The application is going to do this for you in an interface. So we built the back end so that the developers understand the pieces that they're working with, but they have not put this in an interface that helps people enter the new model item yet. But that we know we're going to do that. So now we have, I'm going to go check something really quick. let's see. I need to, so it's going to be 7 point. Yeah, I got to make that. I got to change that. So I got to edit that and make it 7.1 to get it in the right spot in the model. Again, you're not going to have to do this. You can, but you don't have to. So I have to add another association because in the calculation relations of the income statement, I want that total to include taxes. It is a subtraction. And here the sequence doesn't matter. All I need to do is make it higher than what exists, which is, I'll use 5. So now I've added a new line item called taxes. And it also exists. I'm not sure what's going to, yeah. So I'm going to put a value in here just to be. I've now added facts also. That's how the interface will eventually work. It'll be that easy. Imagine just clicking here and then right clicking and you put in add concept, and then the software works behind the scenes and puts all that information into the database. So also you can see here the model has been updated, and there's actually a bug in the application. I can't show you the facts are not updated yet, but all I have to do is go out of that view and then come back into that view, and it is in fact, they are there. It's just that there's a bug and that's going to be fixed. So I think I showed this. Here is that report with the new line item. And I'm going to call that good. I hope this makes sense to people. If not, if you wait a couple of months, you'll be able to see it for yourself because the application will be further along in its development.